Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi. Sa elements na energy ng mga Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Lola Baby po nagpapakilala. Bibigyan ko kayo ng timeless reading. Yan, para sa mga natitirang linggo, araw sa buwan ng Hunyo. Yan na. So titingnan po natin kung saan po tayo dadalhin ng inyong tarot energy. Isang likes lang po, subscribes at share kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribes. Salamat po ha. Ito po is general, hindi po ito personal or private reading. Salamat ng marami. Okay? So meron po tayo ditong tinatawag na the Five of Pentacles. Yan ha. Okay. It has something to do about love, romance, wealth, health. It's about your reputation. Okay? Yan ang nakikita ko. Your name. Your tinatawag na work. It's about your gifts, talents. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the Ace of Cups. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito, may relevant, okay? May connection ang tinatawag na the Five of Pentacles to the Ace of Cups. Sandali lang, inaayos ko. Yan ha. Yan. Yan. So, nakikita ko dito is, if it has something to do about marriage, di ba? Yan. For some of you, very, very successful naman, okay? Full of blessings ang inyong tinatawag na marriage. For some of you, yung tinatawag na ang nagpapasok ng pera sa bahay ninyo, it's like your spouses has a good profession, work, diba? Yan. So, nakikita rin dito, tinatawag na the kind of family where you come from. Okay? So, it's about, nakikita ko rin dito, yung tinatawag na maybe you have a lot of, kasi it's only an energy, okay? So, nilalabas ko lang kung ano nakikita ko sa aking vision, okay? For some of you, you have a properties. Maybe you have hectares of land, farm, di ba? Or maybe nakatira kayo sa, let's say sabihin na natin malapit sa dagat, okay? Your house is built near the seasides, yan, okay? Maaaring sabihin na natin hindi naman really doon sa dagat, kundi medyo nakikita ko lang dito surrounded by waters kayo. Maybe you live in a very, very nice place, di ba, location, but yung tinatawag na may access kayo papunta sa dagat, okay? So for some of you, nakikita ko dito, maybe you are, meron dito mga seaman, maybe that's your tinatawag na spouses, di ba, mga asawa or children, di ba? So for some of you here is meron tinatawag, they have a wealth, yan ha, okay? So for some of you here, it's about your gifts, it's about your talents. Nakikita ko for some of you here is very, very gifted, okay? The Three of Cups, okay? So, ano ibig sabihin ng the Three of Cups is someone, okay? Maybe, kasi narito, it's like there is a single person here, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito na nami-miss nila, okay? Maybe, once in a while, nami-miss nila ang kanilang kapartner. Maaari ito'y tinatawag byuda. Baka wala na yung kanilang, sabihin na nating, ilaw ng tahanan or haligan ng tahanan, wala na. So, nami-miss niya ang tinatawag na kabiyak niya. Okay? For some of you, it has something to do about other people's money, other people's wealth. Okay? Kung sino man ito. Okay? It's like tinatawag na meron kayong mga connection from others. Yan. So it's like tinatawag ko ano man itong resources ninyo, especially your wealth, di ba? Kung ano meron sa inyo, ibig sabihin nito, hindi ito tinatawag na kayo lang ang nagmamay-ari. Okay? It seems like na kung sino man itong kaugnay ninyo, okay? Mga taong kaugnay sa inyo, ibig sabihin nito, it's like tinatawag joint resources. May mga ari-arian din sila na nakasukob sa inyo. Okay? So, yun lang po ang nakikita ko. Diba? Maybe for some of you, nakikita ko dito, kaya kayo nagkakapera. Sino nagpapasok ng pera sa bahay ninyo? Either your husband, your children. Okay? Or maybe sabihin na natin you have an investments, di ba? Maybe nakahalo ang pera ninyo sa tinatawag na networking, di ba? Maybe nag-ano kayo. It's like anong tawag dito? Sumugal. Okay? It's like inihalo nyo ang pera ninyo, okay? Sa ibang tao para ito'y mag-grow. Yun lang po ang nakikita ko. Okay? So it's more about tinatawag na relationship then for some of you. Okay? So, meron dito tinatawag na, ano ito, okay? Okay, the justice, okay? La force, but it's strength, okay? It's a French word for strength, la force, yan. So, kasi iba ang number, okay? It's supposed to be the justice, di ba? So, it's about your strength and their strength. Nasusukat dito, tinatawag na your strength and their strengths. Diba? It has something to do about your relationship. Okay? Kung sino man itong karelasyon nyo. Sino ang karelasyon? It's like tinatawag, sabihin natin sa loob ng bahay nyo. Kasama mo ang iyong mga in-laws. Diba? Maaring dito, there's something to do about the properties and assets. Diba? Yan. It's like tinatawag na join together. Okay? Maybe it has something to do about sex between a man and a woman. Okay? So, for some of you here, may nakikita lang ako yung tinatawag mga byuda. Okay? So, sino man ito tinatawag na the emperor. Okay? Now, ito yung tinatawag na the king of pentacles. Diba? Yan. So, the King of Pentacles, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na siya ang may hawak ng susi. Okay? Siya ang may hawak. It's like, siya lang ang may kapangyarihan. Okay? Sa tinatawag na properties, assets, di ba? Siya may kapangyarihan sa loob ng bahay, di ba? It's like tinatawag, my rules, my game, my rules, di ba? Okay? It's like tinatawag, if you don't like my rules, if you don't like my games, you get out, di ba? O kaya dito, ibig sabihin, kung ano itong kanyang tinatawag na pamamalakad, it's all about his pamamalakad. It needs to be respected. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the two of wands. Okay? So, nakikita mo rito yung tinatawag na this person. Okay? Yan. So, nakikita mo na siya. Okay? It's like it has something to do about his leadership, di ba? It has something to do about his individuality. Okay? It's like tinatawag, he's the best of the best. Okay? Yan, no? Kasi dito sa tinatawag na the Ace of Cups. He's the best of the best. Yan, okay? It's like nakikita dito yung tinatawag pagka-masculine niya. Pinakikita niya ang kanyang tinatawag na masculinity. What he is capable of, di ba? It's like sabihin na nating pangangailangan ng iba is napupunuan niya. Okay? Because he has the power. Yan nakikita dito. Maari ito'y nanay, tatay, or sabihin na nating someone in power. Maybe it has something to do about their career. Sila ang binigyan ng tinatawag katungkulan. Maaring sabihin na nating ito yung tatrabaho sa manager ng bangko or a seaman, maybe kapitan ng barko, di ba? Or maybe sabihin na nating kung ano man ang profession niyaan. Di ba? Yan. It's like nakikita ko dito, siya ang mayroong kapangyarihan when it comes to assets, properties, wealth, di ba? Kontrolado niya. Okay? Kontrolado niya ang mga tao. Kontrolado niya ang tinatawag na let's say sa pamamahala, management. Sa management nakikita ko dito, kontrolado ng tao na ito. Yan. So, gagamit ako ng ibang tarot. Okay? So, nakikita ko for some of you yung tinatawag. General reading po ito. This is not a personal. Okay? Okay. So, kita nyo dito, the King of Swords. Yan, ha? Ibig sabihin nito, siya ang may, it's like tinatawag na he is the ruler. Okay? Babae man ito or lalaki. Diba? Okay? It's like tinatawag my game, my rule, my game. Diba? Okay? Yan. So, this person, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na nakikita dito, very, very confident. Mataas ang confident niya sa sarili niya. Okay? It's like tinatawag dito, nobody can stop him. Okay? It's like tinatawag na climbing the Kilimanjaro, climbing the Everest mountain. Okay? Nobody can stop this person. Diba? So, nakikita dito the quality of this person. Yan, no? The strength of this person. Diba? Okay? The ambition. This person is very, very ambitious. Okay? Yan. Okay? It's like tinatawag na climbing the corporate ladder. Diba? Okay? So, whatever is this, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na this person is ready. Yan, no? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na bukas. It's like very, very open. Okay? Ang kanyang tinatawag na mind, di ba? Yan, no? Very, very open ang kanyang mind. Yan, no? It's like wina-welcome niya lahat, di ba? Whatever is this, it's like there is a two of wands here. It's more about, let's say, it has something to do about partnership, di ba? About, sabihin na nating relationship. Ito yung tinatawag na very, very open. Yan, ha? Hindi siya natatakot. Especially when it comes to tinatawag na money. Yan, ha? So there is, ang nakikita ko dito, there is a manifesting po ito dahil naka-highlights dito ang tinatawag na the Knight of Swords. Okay? It's more about tinatawag na building a relationship with people with power, kagaya din niya. Okay? Kasi narito ang tinatawag na the Two of Wands, the Three of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. Yan, ibig sabihin combo na ito. Narito ang tinatawag na wealth. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na open siya. Okay? Open siya to talk. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na whatever is this, has it something to do about business? Has it something to do about project? Yan. Ibig sabihin na open siya. Okay? Open for tinatawag open relationship or conversation talks, 'di ba? Yan, no. So, ang nakikita ko dito kung sino ito, ha? People in power, with power. Okay? So, narito yung tinatawag na the Four of Wands. Okay? Ibig sabihin, this person has a tinatawag na, it's like maswerte. Yan, maswerte sila sa kanilang love, romance, or marriage relationship. Yan, ha? Maswerte ang mga taong ito. Yan dito. Okay? It's like all the qualities, lahat ng qualities ng kanilang kapartner nasa kanila. Okay? Maybe either kayo ang nagpo-provide, okay, ng mga needs ng kapartner nyo or sila ang nagpo-provide ng needs ninyo. Okay? Lahat ng pangangailangan ninyo. So, general po ito, ha? So, meron dito, for some of you, nakita dito highlights, okay? Yung tinatawag na spending, okay? So, ang highlights po ito, ibig sabihin nito coming soon. It's more about spending, shopping, di ba? Whatever is this, sa tinatawag na the Six of Pentacles, di ba? Yan, o. Maybe it has something to do about your health. Maaring dito, mamimili kayo ng mga vitamins, mamimili kayo ng mga gatas, mamimili kayo ng mga damit. Maybe it has something to do aesthetics, about your beauty, body, di ba? Kung ano yung pangangailangan ninyo. Yan ha. Ibig sabihin, there's a very, very big shopping you will do. Okay? So, tingin lang ako ng ibang tarot. Okay? Narito, nakikita ko rin dito for some of you, it's like there is a second, maybe a second honeymoon, di ba? Okay? Sa tinatawag ng the Four of Wands. Okay? Maybe you will go for a tour, di ba? Yan. Maybe for a holiday, a honeymoon, a date, okay? With your kapartner. Yan, okay? It's like for some of you, you are ready for a new partnership relationship, okay? Or sabihin na natin, it has maaari tayo may kinalaman sa business, di ba? Maybe a network, investment, di ba? Okay? So, whatever is this, narito ang tinatawag na the Knight of Cups. Yan, okay? Manifesting yan, no? Ibig sabihin nito, narito ang the Knight of Cups and the Knight of Swords. Yan, ha? Whatever is this, there is yung tinatawag na a new beginning and a new cycle, a new partnership, a new relationship, di ba? A new people coming to your life, di ba? A new wealth. It's like tinatawag dito, meron kayong mga sasalubungin ng blessings. Maybe yung tinatawag natanggap sa trabaho. Maaring dito, tinatawag natanggap sa trabaho. It's about tinatawag approval, di ba? So it means nakikita ko dito for some of you, it's about your achievements. Magkakaroon dito ang tinatawag achievements, okay? It's about tinatawag abundance. There is an abundance between you and them, di ba? It's like nakikita dito na highlights, okay? Highlights. Yan, tinatawag na, kasi narito ang the Four of Wands, okay? Marriage, business partner, okay? Networking, or yung tinatawag na a project, yan, ibig sabihin nito, okay? There are people coming, okay? It's like they need your help, okay? So, follow your instinct. Follow your instinct, okay? For some of you, ibig sabihin nito, active ang inyo, very, very open ang inyong tinatawag na third eye chakra. It's very, very tinatawag mataas ang psychic power ng taong ito. Okay? Yan. Yan, nakikita dito, you are led by your intuition, you are led by your psychic. Okay? So, for some of you dito is blessed. Your relationship is very, very blessed. Okay? So, your family is in good health. Nakikita dito. Your health, your wealth, your assets, your home, family life, di ba? Relationship to others, dito nakalagay, highlight sa tinatawag na the Emperor is in good hands, is in good place. Okay? You don't have to worry about yan, ha? Okay. So, nakikita dito. It's about tinatawag na your contentment, di ba? So, tinatawag na the Emperor. For some of you here is tinatawag na sa, I don't know, maybe you are already in pension retirement, di ba? Yan. So, for some of you here, maybe you are working in the US, ang tinatawag na Navy, Sea Navy, okay? Maritime, seaman, di ba? Ships, yan. Maybe you're working in the ships, yan. For some of you here, yung tinatawag na meron dito, it's like spending money for the home. Yan, magpapaganda ng bahay, okay? So, for some of you, you are spending money for others. Maybe sabihin na natin, meron kayo, magbibigay kayo ng pa-birthday, a gifts for someone, for somebody, okay? So, for some of you here, is like tinatawag manifesting highlights po ito. May mga darating sa inyong usapan mga tao, and their intention is about tinatawag na pangangailangan. May pangangailangan sila na dapat is mapunuan. Okay? Yan. So, dito nakikita. Yan ha. So, it has something to do. Maybe sabihin na natin baka ito may mga sakit, di ba? Kailangan nila ng pera, kailangan nila ng aids, kailangan nila ng suporta nyo, kailangan ng awa ninyo. Okay? So, gagamit ako ng ibang cards dito. Okay, sandali lang po. So, meron dito, it's like tinatawag na sa business. Okay, they have a business, they are promoting. Maybe tinatawag na branching out, you want to branch out your business, di ba? Okay? It's about your service. Diba, sa tinatawag na the Two of Pentacles. Yan, okay? Maybe you will do shopping. Maaring dito sabihin na nating pagagandahin mo ang tindahan mo, not only your house, diba? Okay? Okay. Whatever is this, narito ang tinatawag na the Four of Cups, the Four of Chalices. Diba? So, ang nakikita ko dito is tinatawag na, okay, what you see in the, maybe you want to change, okay, change everything in the house, maybe the rules, okay, the rules and regulations, di ba? The attitude of the people. Okay, ibig sabihin nito, nasisilayan mo, na-actualize mo, na-experience mo, okay? And you cannot avoid it, yan. So, it's very, very disgusting for some of you, di ba? Maybe your way of, para lang magbago yung pakiramdam mo, maybe you will go out for a shopping or sabihin na natin, meron kayo ditong tinatawag na mga babaguhin, maybe the food you eat, di ba? Maybe the place, the house, di ba? Whatever is this, okay? It's like tinatawag dito na nakikita rin dito. It's like yung tinatawag na nabobore kayo. Yan, ha? So, naman ito, whatever is the star, okay? Ano itong the star na ito? Somebody wants to kill you. Hindi naman ibig sabihin mamardaring ka, okay? Yan, maybe they want to ruin your reputation. They want to ruin your name, di ba? So, nakikita dito your strength and your tinatawag. Kasi this is la force, the strength, your strength, and the justice. Ibig sabihin ito, hindi mo papatulan ang taong ito, okay? Ibig sabihin itong taong ito, yung tinatawag, gusto niya na sumakay sa iyong halimbawa katanyagan. They want to ride sa iyong katanyagan, sa iyong tinatawag na tagumpay, di ba? Yan. So, ingat po ha, meron dito, it's like tinatawag na mahilig siya mambaoy, babauyin niya. It's like from the past. It's like tinatawag na hindi na ito kailangang ibalik, di ba? Hindi na ito kailangang pag-usapan, pero meron ditong tinatawag na mahilig siyang mambaoy. So, be ready ha, Prepare po kayo. Prepare because it's coming. Kaya na dito ang tinatawag na the Knight of Swords and the Knight of Cups. It's about tinatawag, sabihin na natin, yung kanilang prostration. Hindi nyo lang alam because for some of you, nakikita ko dito, may mga prostration ng ibang tao na kumbaga this time, they are coming para sabihin sa inyo. Okay? So, nakikita dito, it's you. Okay? It's not dito yung tinatawag your strength and the justice. It's about promoting yourself, promoting your business, promoting your net. Kung ano man yan, ha? Okay. So, nakikita dito ang the hangman. For some of you, ang nakikita ko for some of you is yung tinatawag na you live a very, very good life, di ba? It's like ine-enjoy mo naman ang bahay mo, ine-enjoy mo ang buhay mo. You have no problems. It's like tinatawag, everything's okay, everything's in order, everything's under control because ibig sabihin nito, you have money to spend, di ba? It's like tinatawag you run out of money. You run out, ibig sabihin nito, hindi kayo nauubusan ng panggastos. So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag yung relationship to others. Okay? Okay, maybe ito yung tinatawag your in-laws, your marriage, maybe your spouses, your children, kung sino man ito, di ba? It's like tinatawag na you control your money. Ikaw yung tinatawag na kontrolado mo. Okay? Ikaw nagmamanage. Let's say, sabihin na natin everything in the house, kayo ang nagmamanage. Okay? So, be very, very careful because this will happen. Tinatawag na the stars. Okay? Somebody, it's like tinatawag panunumbat, merong manunumbat sa inyo. Okay? So, it's coming. So, whatever is that, ibig naman sabihin nito, nakikita ko naman yung tinatawag na a very, very peaceful life, very, very abundance life. If you have something to do about your business, you have nothing to do about your business because it's running very good. Okay? Pumapasok ang tinatawag na the wealth inside the house. Saan galing ang wealth na ito? From your clients, from people, di ba? It has nothing to do. It's sabihin na natin, walang problema sa mga halimbawa, may mga kinauutangan kayo, walang problema because the wealth is tinatawag pumapasok ng maganda sa inyong bahay. Okay? So, thank you very much.